Rome becomes an empire, 44 BCE to 14 CE. Caesar's murder plunged Rome into civil wars that lasted over 10 years. When the fighting ended, Caesar's grandnephew and adopted son Octavian was the sole ruler of Rome. This began the Roman Empire, and Rome's fourth period of expansion. To gain power, Octavian had to defeat jealous rivals, one of which was Mark Antony, a popular general. Antony had married Queen Cleopatra of Egypt. In 31 BCE, Octavian defeated Antony and Cleopatra in a sea battle near Actium, Greece. His army chased the couple to Egypt, where they killed themselves. Octavian was now the supreme ruler of the Mediterranean region. Octavian knew that the Romans prized their republic. He told them he was restoring the authority of the Senate, but in fact, he was in complete control. The Senate gave him the title Augustus, which means revered or honored. He ruled for life as Caesar Augustus, and historians call him Rome's first emperor. Augustus encouraged education, art, and literature. He completed grand construction projects, repairing more than 80 temples. "I found Rome brick and left it marble," he boasted. He also gave Rome its first police force and firefighters. Augustus ruled over more than 50 million people. He turned eastern kingdoms, such as Judea and Armenia, into Roman provinces. To better defend the empire, he pushed its borders to natural boundaries: the Rhine and Danube rivers in the north, the Sahara in the south, and the Atlantic in the west. The empire needed a strong economy, so the Roman government implemented taxation in order to fund the building of harbors, canals, and roads to improve trade. Romans also established a single system of currency, which made it easier for goods to flow across the empire and into foreign lands, as far away as China. But Rome's final expansion brought new problems. To reform Roman morals, Augustus harshly punished people for being unfaithful to their husbands or wives. To protect himself and his family, he established a private army, the Praetorian Guard. Later, the same guard sometimes participated in murder plots against the emperors it was supposed to protect. Under Rome, the Mediterranean world was mostly at peace for 200 years, a period which is called the Pax Romana, or Roman peace. But keeping the peace cost the Romans a great deal. During Augustus's reign, one rebellion in the east took 3 years and thousands of soldiers to subdue. Later emperors added to the territory controlled by Rome. From Britain to the Red Sea, a single power ruled over the greatest empire the world had ever known.